Hi guys, this is how to update your Acer Aspire E14 E5 47 3G inside H2O BIOS to the latest version. So first, you're gonna open your preferred browser, then type here Acer support, then click here. And after that, enter your device model. So mine is a notebook series Aspire, then model is E5 47 3G, E5 47 3G. So here it is. After that, choose the operating system. Mine is the 21H1 Windows 10 64-bit, so I'll select the Windows 10 64-bit. For that, go to the BIOS or firmware tab, and then press this 1.13 version. So I press that. We're gonna start downloading. So mine is done. So here's mine. So after that, you're gonna press that, and after pressing or facing this error, go here, type here percent update percent, then press enter. After that, press this up data, then local, scroll bottom, then press this temp folder. After that, press this modified tab, so it will gonna bring up the latest happenings. For that, then press this first folder, right click, copy, then paste in your desktop. After that, you can close this. Okay, then it will close on itself. Press the folder, then go to platform.ini. First is you're gonna copy this one, select and copy this one. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard, then paste that there with Ctrl V, or you're gonna right click and press paste. Then after that, you're gonna press next, find next. You're gonna press this down direction, then next, until you find this one. First, you're gonna check that to 0. Then after that, you're gonna type here DC, then up, direction up. After that, after you are in this section, kindly scroll up. Then here in switch string quasi PVER, change this to DC DIS. So after that, press file, then click save. After that, you can close this one, then double click on this exe file, then voila. So warning, you're about to update your system firmware, so close all your applications running in background. After that, then press OK, then wait for it to restart. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.